My name is Corbin Shockey. I drive the high-risk mini monster truck, this one. We're out here representing off-road nights in Perris, California. I've been doing it for almost 4 years now. It's really fun. I enjoy it a lot, better than other stuff I do. This is my accomplishments right there. I've driven race cars, won a points championship. Special thanks to Off-Road Nights, JDS Tile, and Off-Road Warehouse. Check us out on Instagram, Corbin High Risk Mini Monster Truck, and High Risk Mini Monster Truck on Facebook.